Would I buy a land with squatters at 70% off? Let's be real, the 70% discount isn't a bargain. It's a down payment on a decades of headaches. Unless you have more than 1 million cash for lawyers, not to win, just to start fighting. Or maybe you enjoy watching your property value drops another 30% while the squatters multiply. Or you enjoy stress na mapapasabi ka na lang, pero bakit parang galit ka? Pero bakit kasalanan ko? Parang kasalanan ko. That kaya ko paalisin confidence, I've seen it bankrupt developers. Even if you win, you lose years of your life. Only two people win here, politician and lawyers. So, I'm curious, would you take the deal? Yes, I have a politician friends, or no, I value my sanity. Drop your answer below.